Okay, so then example B, we have a 2 already outside of the radical. We're going to go ahead and ignore that for now. We'll bring it back once we've broken down 72 into pairs. So we're going to take what's inside of our radical and we're going to break it up into something times something. I know that 72 is an even number, so I see that 72 is 2 times something. So let's see. 72 divided by 2, it's 36. Okay, now there's a few things you can do here. I know that 36 breaks up into 6 and 6. That right there is a pair. Now, if you didn't see that, so I'm going to just do some side work here. If you don't get that, there's so many ways to break down 72, guys. You could have broken up 72 into 8 and 9, and then 8 would have been 2 and 4, and 9 would have been 3 and 3, and then 4 would have been 2 and 2. Now, there's 2 pairs here. There's a pair of 2s, a pair of 3s, and a 2 left over. In this case, there's a pair of 6 and a pair of 2s. Regardless, you guys, you get the same answer. Over here, you get 6 root 2 right away, okay? Over here, though, you get a 2 times a 3 root 2 left over. So all you're going to do is this 2 came from here, and this 3 came from here. And then I left my 2 inside the house that did not have a friend. Okay, so regardless of which way you get there, you get the same answer because 2 times 3 is 6. So the square root of 72 breaks up into 6 root 2. But I ignored something. I ignored this 2. So this 2 is going to come out in front, and now I'm going to have 2 times 6 root 2. And now all I have to do is just multiply those guys together. So 2 times 6 is 12. So I get 12, and then root 2 stays. Nothing inside the radical changes. And that is the answer, my friends. So again, if you did the left side, this whole side right here, totally cool on you. However, if you have to do the extra work and for it to stand out to you, do the extra work for it to stand out to you. You should get the same answer regardless of how you get there. Now it's your turn to try it.